Hello everyone, let's see some easy and quick hairstyle. So first we are making a pony by taking little hair from both the sides, and after that we are separating the hair and then making a French tail. As you can see how we are making the braid by taking little by little hair, and then you can see it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've made a ponytail by taking small amount of hair, and then we are making a heart by twisting it. And then to the remaining hair we are making two braids, one on the one side and second on the other, and then we are expanding it and converting it into a bun, and it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've made a ponytail by taking little hair and then passing through a small amount of hair through that, and then to the remaining hair we are making a braid, folding it out into a side bun and securing it with any rubber band or any accessories. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken a part of hair from one side, repeating it with the other side, and then joining both of them together at the back with the help of two rubber bands. And then we are giving it this type of design. You can see how we are doing it. And then to the remaining hair, we are going to convert it into a bun, and then you can secure it with any type of clip or hairpin. Now you can see it is almost ready. Now you can apply any accessories to it. It looks so good and beautiful. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken a part of hair from one side and we are starting making our braid, taking hair little by little from the second side. So you can see this braid is ready. And then to the remaining hair we are making a loose braid and then securing it with the rubber band and making a bun with it, and it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken a part of hair from both the sides, securing it with a rubber band, passing through itself, and then after that to the remaining hair, we are dividing them into two parts and then folding them together into themselves, and after that into a bun, and then secure it with anything. Let's move ahead. Here we've made a ponytail taking all of our hair, and then we need to separate it into two parts and then just passing them into themselves and expanding them so that they can be loose, and then we are securing it with the rubber band like this and completing our bun by securing it with any accessories, and you can see it looks so beautiful and cute. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken three parts of our hair and then securing it with rubber band, passing them through themselves, and then we are just losing them and expanding the volume. After that we are tying all of them together into a braid so that this design can be formed. Now fold it into a bun and you can see it is ready. Now decorate it with any accessories. Next we move ahead. Here we've taken some part of hair, made a ponytail with it, and to the rest of the hair we've made a low ponytail, and then we are converting it into a bun, and then we are securing it with any hair clip. Thanks for watching.